deserving of love. That spiritual contract signed by the bond between two hearts, written in the essence of connection. Love is deserving of love. That touch, which tastes the aroma of passion, tantalizing your ears, when you listen to the visions of everlasting affection between two souls reaching the climax of perfection. Love is praiseworthy of intimacy. That special wavelength between masculine and feminine energies reaches frequencies frequently until these separate entities become one entity. Love is exemplary at its peak when that deep piece of passion reaches the center of the sweet feast. The man eats his delectable peach until she falls into a deep sleep. There she lay with every square inch of her silhouette at peace. Love is unconditional. No superficial or artificial inseminations, breeding and clone creations. It's the wholehearted, unmitigated foundation that builds family-orientated nations with bonds strong enough to break out foreign infiltrations and invasions. Love is deserving of nothing self-serving. It is nurturing, and when you have it, you will know it. It's the end of soul searching. Honey dripping, birds chirping, nectar sipping. Love is deserving of love.
This is my name for Velvet and my Washington Coleman.
So